Chipotle. I got my Chipotle. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. In today's video, I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more health and fitness content. And now we're gonna get into the video. So I'm in the kitchen right now and the lighting sucks, but we're just gonna have to deal with it, and I'm gonna make breakfast. Okay, so today it's like a really late breakfast for me. It's like 1 o'clock, so I'm just gonna have one egg from this. One egg with some spinach and minced garlic. So what I do is take this pan, it's like a small saucepan, frying pan. And then I take this olive oil and I'm just gonna put a little bit in and then put the spinach in. I put like a lot of spinach because it'll like wilt down like really small, so I fill up the whole pan. And then like halfway through I'll put in the minced garlic. It makes it taste so good. Oh yeah, and when I crack the egg, when I make the egg, I put this garlic parsley seasoning on it. My favorite. It's so good. I put it on my chicken, eggs, spinach, everything. I'm trying to make it last. There's a little bit left. Okay, so I put some salt and minced garlic on it, and now it's on a plate. Now I'm gonna put Pam in the pan, and then crack my egg. I'm also gonna have 3 of these TGI poppers. We are at Ashley's place and we're gonna go get Chipotle and we're gonna see what low point foods we can get. Yay, fun! So this is what I ordered. I got a chicken bowl with white rice. Yeah, I can't even say that right. But black beans, tomato salsa, cheese, and romaine lettuce. And I'm about to go pick it up. Alright. Alright, so I'm here at Chipotle right now and I'm about to go in and pick up our food. Chipotle.
I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro.
Does it have forks and stuff? Huh? Does it have forks in there? Alright, I'm gonna have to go get some forks. Alright, I got my Chipotle. I spilled some lettuce, but that's fine. I am so hungry right now. Yummy. So, I literally just went into Yogurtland and got some yogurt. This is my friend Ben. Come say hi. Okay, don't say hi, then I will put you. Hi.
You know me
from the
I'm
other
chicken
video.
nugget dude.
Yeah, I literally just had yogurt and I didn't even film it, so that's what I had. I had like 9 ounces of it.
It's pretty dry.
So yeah, it was 9 ounces of frozen yogurt. It was really good, and I'm probably gonna go get a little bit of Taco Bell in a little bit. Yes, I'll update you then. We're at Taco Bell.
Spicy potato soft taco. Okay. And 2 grilled cheese burritos. Alright. You want a drink?
No, I'm good.
Hey, can I get a small Baja Blast? Alright. That's it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up and leave a comment what your favorite breakfast food is. Mine is eggs. I like eggs. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel, and don't forget to watch my previous video where I walked a mile every single day for 50 days straight. It was a challenge, but it was really cool. It was fun, so go check that out if you haven't. That is all for this video, so I will see you guys in my next video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. That's not how I do it. And what I eat in a day. Oh my god.